Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to turn off the notification of specific application on your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open the settings. Whenever you open it, now you just need to visit this notification settings here. And to turn off the notification from the specific application, you just need to slide your screen into the upper side and just looking for what applications that you want to turn off the notifications from. So let's say I would like to turn off this 8-ball pool notification, so you just need to go click this button, and after that you just need to go click turn off everything's down here, as well as the sounds and patches. And now you're done. You still allow the notifications to coming into your phone, but then you will not gonna have an alerts whenever the notification is coming. So that's the way, guys, how to turn off the notification. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.